This is Kathleen McCauley. She is our driver payable person. This is our conference room. This is where driver training takes. This is where they spend 2 to 3 days of the week orientation. And we go down the hallway. Accounts payable person, Kathy. This is a dispatcher, Terry Mahoney. You will be talking to him. And Jane Mayer is our payroll person. Here is the person that does all of our billing, Libby.
Hello.
And then we walk in here. This is a little break room we have for the office staff up here.